December 30, 2024 is the third anniversary of the Marshall Fire that took 2 human lives and over 1,000 household pets in Superior and Louisville, Colorado. In the Marshall Fire, many homes were burned by an outside human-started fire and an electrical spark from a broken utility power line. Fire sparks blown by the fierce 80 to 100 mile per hour winds from the 2 fire ignition sources spread the flames from house to house in Superior and Louisville, Colorado. Firemen, police, and emergency personnel rushed to evacuate as many people who were home in the daytime. Many people were at work and could not get home to save their pets. Unfortunately, many beloved pets died in the fires. Over 1,000 pets were killed in the fires. Please be safe this New Year's Eve when firing off fireworks, as we do not need any more wildfires. Please watch our video on the day of the Marshall Fire. Right.